Wait, don't scroll. A boring school method to solve the fractions, or you want to know the ninja technique? To know, watch complete video. Here we have 273 minus 15 by 17. To simplify this, we will take LCM, that is 17. Here we will multiply 17 here into 1. So 273 into 17 is 4641 minus 15 into 1 is 15. If you subtract this, we get 4626 divided by 17. If you solve this, you will get 272 integer 2 by 17. Within 10 seconds, I can solve this. 1, you will get 272. Here, 17 minus 15, you will get 2. So write here 2 divided by 17. So both the answers are same. So here you need to remember denominator should be greater than a numerator, then this method can be applied. Thank you.